Hey there, tech fans and AI lovers. You know what? AI is everywhere right now. It's basically invading every corner of our lives, from the apps on your phone to the smart assistants in your home, and even the algorithms deciding what shows you binge watch. But let me ask you something. How much of what you think you know about AI is actually true? I bet some of you have heard some wild stories or run into half-truths that honestly hold you back from really exploring what AI can do. Today I'm breaking down 7 AI myths that might be keeping you stuck, confused, or even a little scared of what AI means for your future. Once we bust these myths, you'll be way more confident jumping into AI tools, using them at work, or just chatting with friends about what's next in tech. Myth 1. AI will replace all human jobs. Okay, let's get this out of the way. The fear that AI is coming for all our jobs. It's the headline that sells papers and sparks endless debates. But here's the thing. AI doesn't come in like some sci-fi villain ready to kick everyone out. It's more like a coworker who's good at the boring stuff, letting you focus on the interesting bits. Think about calculators. Back in the day, folks worried they'd replace mathematicians or teachers, but calculators just made math faster. Teachers shifted to focus on concepts, critical thinking, and problem solving. Stuff a calculator just can't do. Now AI is doing the same in lots of industries. Programmers use AI tools like GitHub Copilot to help write boilerplate code or debug faster. Designers use AI to generate quick mock-ups, freeing up more time for creativity. Writers use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas or draft outlines. AI doesn't steal the job, it changes how the job gets done. The flip side. If you ignore AI and refuse to adapt, you risk getting left behind. It's like refusing to learn to use email back in the 90s. Possible, but not a great career move. So instead of fearing AI, get curious. Explore, experiment, and learn new skills. You don't have to become a machine learning engineer overnight, but understanding how AI can help is a good start. Myth 2, AI understands everything like a human. Here's a misconception. I see all the time, thinking AI actually understands us, like it's got a brain and feelings. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. AI is basically a super sophisticated pattern matcher. It looks at huge piles of data and guesses what should come next. It's like when you start a sentence and your phone tries to auto-complete it, only AI is way more complex. But AI doesn't have empathy, consciousness, or real understanding. That's why sometimes it generates weird or wrong answers, what the experts call hallucinations. It's also why AI might totally miss sarcasm, humor, or cultural nuance. Honestly, don't try to be funny with your AI chatbot yet. It might just take you literally. This means humans are still essential. We have to guide AI, check its work, and add the emotional and ethical context AI can't grasp. So next time your AI buddy says something off, don't panic. Just remember it's a tool, not a human. Myth 3. You need to be a tech guru to use AI. If you've ever thought AI tools are only for coders or scientists, I'm here to break that myth wide open. The truth? AI is getting easier and easier to use, even if you don't know a single line of code. Look at tools like ChatGPT, DALL, or Midjourney. They have simple interfaces where you just type what you want, and boom! AI creates text, art, or even music for you. No programming degree needed. Honestly, some of the coolest AI projects I've seen come from people just messing around and playing with the tools. They experiment, make mistakes, and create things that are genuinely surprising. The barrier to entry is dropping fast. AI is turning into a creative sidekick rather than a scary, complicated machine. And with more apps launching every week, soon it'll be as common as using Instagram or TikTok. Myth 4. AI is always objective and unbiased. Here's a tough one. A lot of people believe AI is perfectly objective because it's just math or data. But that's a dangerous assumption. AI learns from data, and that data reflects human biases, inequalities, and blind spots. If the training data is skewed, the AI's decisions will be too. For example, some facial recognition systems have been found to struggle with identifying people of color accurately. Recruitment AI has sometimes favored male candidates because it learned from biased hiring data. This is why awareness is crucial. AI isn't some magical truth machine. It can perpetuate existing problems if we're not careful. Luckily, ethical AI conversations are booming globally. Governments, companies, and researchers are working to build fairness and transparency into AI. But as users and consumers, we also have to question outputs, stay informed, and demand better. Myth 5. AI will get smarter on its own without human help. It's tempting to think AI is some sort of self-growing, self-learning entity that'll just figure everything out on its own. But that's a fantasy. The reality is, AI development is a hands-on, ongoing process. Data scientists, engineers, and researchers spend countless hours cleaning data, tweaking models, and running tests. It's like tending a garden. You plant seeds, water the plants, prune the branches, and hope for a good harvest. If only AI were a self-watering plant, right? This human-in-the-loop approach ensures AI stays accurate, relevant, and safe. So, when you see a new AI model launch, remember there's a massive team behind it, making it work smoothly, and sometimes fixing the inevitable bugs. Myth 6. AI is just a trend that will fade away. Now I get it, we've seen tech fads come and go. Remember Google Glass? Or those early smartwatches that never caught on? But AI isn't just a shiny new toy. It's embedding itself in everything we do. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, Netflix recommendations, self-driving car tech, all powered by AI. The momentum is huge and it's accelerating. Ignoring AI now is kind of like ignoring the internet in the 90s. Sure, you could do it, but you'd miss out on so much. Plus, AI is evolving faster than ever. New breakthroughs happen monthly, making AI more accessible and useful. It's not going anywhere. It's part of the tech fabric of the future. Myth 7. Using AI means losing your creativity. This one hits close to home for a lot of people. The idea that AI somehow steals your creativity or makes your work less authentic. But that's a misunderstanding. AI isn't here to replace your voice, it's a collaborator. Artists use AI to explore new styles and ideas. Musicians use it to create fresh sounds. Writers use it to overcome blocks or brainstorm plots. It's like having a really clever friend who throws crazy ideas your way. If Shakespeare had AI, would he have stopped writing? Absolutely not. He probably would have been the first to use it to craft even wilder stories. Creativity is about making connections and expressing yourself. AI just helps you push boundaries and think differently. Wrapping it up, so, to recap, these 7 myths might have been holding you back from embracing AI and its massive potential. AI won't steal every job, but will change how we work. AI doesn't understand like a human, it's a pattern matcher. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use AI tools. AI isn't free from bias. It reflects the data it's trained on. AI won't evolve on its own without human help. AI isn't a passing fad. It's becoming part of daily life. And using AI doesn't kill creativity, it enhances it. AI isn't some scary robot apocalypse or a magic wand. It's a powerful tool, sometimes imperfect, always evolving. But it needs you to guide it, challenge it, and use it well. So, what AI myth have you believed the longest? Have you tried any AI tools recently? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Thanks for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring, stay curious, and don't be afraid to get a little weird with AI. You never know what you might create.